All right, let's get to it. First of all, congratulations on anybody that played this week. I mean, the market overall was a bull, and it was as expected. Trump wins, so market loves him. That's just the bottom line. So we should see a lot more upside on many different stocks. So let's get to it. Pins, PINS. I already called out a play, so I'm keeping this play on there. That was the $39 calls. But we found some more, so we're like the $38 calls, and these are for next year. So you can get them whenever, you know what I mean? Kind of like price them, see, hey, it's $200, but I want to buy it at 150. Maybe put an order in or just watch it until it comes down to that 150. But overall, pins calls. Next, it's going to be Roku. Roku is at the end of the month. And we know that this can move. It's got a few gaps it's got to fill. So that's why I'm liking this setup. It definitely has came out of its downtrend and is trying to have a continuation to the upside. So I like this. $75 calls on Roku. Next, CSCO. These are for next week. This is probably, I think, my only weekly that I have in here. These are pretty much kissing the strike price already. I think it's at like $58. Yeah, it's at 58 bucks. So look to get this like Monday, take profit Wednesday, or look to get Thursday, take profit Friday morning. Very simple for the weekly plays. Um, yeah, that's that. Next, Target. Next year play. So 160 calls for next year. Like I said, with the next year calls, feel free to get them whenever. Always look at what they are, and then look to price them cheaper. It's always a good thing. Next, it's going to be FCX. FCX for the end of the year. $48 calls, and this is, kissing this as well because it's at $46. So it's only a $2 move. And we have basically a month, a little over a month to do it. So that's how you have to look at these longer term options. Look at how much it moves, in general. So if we're looking at FCX moved $2 yesterday or Friday, right? And all we're looking for is to move $2 in a month. So that is a good way of kind of gauging if an option is a good option or if it can even make it to your strike price. Is understanding what it moves throughout a normal trading session. So $2 is not far from this asset. Next is going to be Run. Run for next year. I mean, Run's chart daily, as you can see, looks hideous, but hopeful. I guess that's the best way to say it is that it can't keep falling uh, for so long. So we're looking at Run $16 calls for February of next year. And then our next one, last one, is going to be PTON. PTON for December, $10 move. So $10 strikes, and we're looking at a little over $1 and some change for the move to happen within a month. So like I said, same concept as FCX. How much does an asset move within a day or maybe even a week if you have to spread it out if it's a smaller stock? And if it can move that $1-2 move, then it's okay to take that strike with some time on it because then you're allowing it time to develop. Okay, so let's run through these again. First one that we talked about is going to be Pinterest. Pinterest calls. Here are both the plays here. I'll leave it on the screen for a moment. Next is going to be Roku. We're also looking at calls on this one. Next, CSCO calls us on this one as well. Next, TGT calls on this one for next year. Next, FCX calls. Next, Run calls. It's looking like I'm very bullish. And last but not least, PTON calls. So those are my plays for, this week. Options that I feel will be good positions to get into. You have a lot of time on these options, except for I think it was, I don't even know which one it was, but there was only one weekly in this group. So overall, these ones can be, snatched up with ever because you have that time on them. But, play safe, win the trade. Even if it's 10%, take the trade, move on. There's going to be a bunch more. I do it every Sunday, so I'm always going to have plays for you guys. And, of course, let me know if you're getting in on the plays, what you got in on, what was your price and how much did you make on it? Be interested to see how many people are actually playing these call outs. All right. All right. Have a great rest of your weekend and let's make some money. Good luck, guys.